Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Facebook Marketplace account step by step. Step 1. Create or log into your Facebook account. You need to have an active Facebook account to be able to access Marketplace. If you don't have one yet, sign up at facebook.com and finish the registration. You must be at least 18 years old to use Marketplace. Step 2. Go to Facebook Marketplace. On desktop, click the Marketplace icon in the left sidebar of your homepage. On mobile, tap the menu which is the three lines, then select Marketplace. If you don't see it, your account might be too new or Marketplace isn't available in your area. Step 3. Set up your Marketplace profile. Add a profile photo and cover photo to build trust with buyers. If prompted, review and accept Marketplace terms of service. Step 4. Create a new listing. Click Create New Listing. Choose what you're selling, like item for sale, vehicle for sale, or property for sale or rent. Fill out the listing details. For the title, write something clear and descriptive. For photos, upload high-quality original pictures. For the description, include info like condition, size, brand, and any other important details. For the price, pick a reasonable competitive amount. And for the location, enter your area for local buyers. Step 5. Pick delivery options. Decide how buyers will get the item, like local pickup or shipping. Step 6. Publish your listing. Double-check all your details for accuracy. Click Publish to make your listing live. And finally, Step 7. Stay compliant. Only post items that follow Facebook's commerce policies. Don't use fake profiles or list banned items. Share original content and respect copyrights. Always be honest and upfront in your listings. And that would be all for this video. I'll see you on the next one.